My name is Harry MacTough, and I'm a process consultant in the energy simulation group in Houston. When I was looking for a new employer, one of the things that attracted me to working at Kongsberg Digital was that we get to work with so many different parts of the assets offshore. I think it's really interesting that in one day I'll get to work with a subsea engineer in the morning and then somebody with a completely different group from the Topsides group in the afternoon, and that they come to us for questions about different parts of their processes because we get to work with so much of that information at the same time. I think a funny anecdote from my time at KDI, we have people from a lot of different countries that come through the office in Houston, and it's been really funny to see some of the different snacks that people will bring from different countries when they're here. Some of my favorite examples from Norway, we've had whale sausage and some different types of chocolate that we can't find here in the US. And we've had a lot of different types of cookies come from India that have been fun to try. It's fun to see everyone in the break room trying something that they haven't tried before. I envision Kongsberg Digital creating game-changing technology in the future. Right now in my work through Kognitwin simulation, I think it's been really interesting to see that work progress over the last year, not only in ways that affect the digital twin, but in ways that affect my group in simulation as well, and will improve our ability to make training simulators for operations. I think my most significant contribution to driving innovation and change at Kongsberg is through working so much one-on-one with operators. Everyone in my group spends a lot of time working directly with operators, doing a train-the-trainer process on simulators and getting feedback from them on things that could be different or better. So I think that that's a unique way that I'm able to drive innovation here at Kongsberg.